I want to take a second and talk about your line setup for ice fishing, especially your jigging rod. I normally will use a fluorocarbon leader, like you see here, going directly to the spoon, and then I'll go to about a size 10 to 12 barrel swivel, and then I'll attach it to the main line. Today I'm using 10-pound test fluorocarbon for my main line. Sometimes I use Fireline Ultra 8. It's a very thin, slippery line, extremely strong. Often it's hard to tie a polymer knot if you already have a leader started like I do here. So the knot of choice for me is an improved cinch. You just basically go through the end of the barrel swivel, you make a loop and you hold it, and then you go 5 twists. Take the tag end and go through the loop that you've been holding with your fingers, and then you'll take that tag end and go through the loop again. So you basically cinch it up tight. I pull on the tag end too. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then I'll take a scissors and I'll snip it short. If you're using Fireline Ultra 8, that line is quite a bit more slippery and it's very fine in diameter. So instead of 5 twists, go to anywhere from 8 to 10 twists, and it'll work very, very well. And pretty much close to being as strong as a polymer. So that's the nice setup for attaching your barrel swivels, or anytime you need to, you have difficulty in tying a polymer because it's hard to loop the lure through the end of it.